In this practical, we are going to perform the practical on to use voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter to determine active, reactive and apparent power consumed in given RL series circuit. Now, we will see the what resource required to perform this practical. This is the resource required. First, rheostat. In this practical, we can use lamp as a resistive load, then inductor, then voltmeter, then ammeter and then wattmeter. Then we will see the actual circuit diagram of your practical. Okay. This is the practical setup. This is the circuit diagram for your practical. Here we have connect one auto transformer and given 230 volt 50 hertz supply to this auto transformer. This auto transformer having two terminal, phase and neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of this voltmeter. Then common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the common terminal of an ammeter. Then range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the wattmeter. This wattmeter have four terminal M, L, C and V. The range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the M terminal of an wattmeter. Then L terminal of an wattmeter is connected to the first terminal of an resistive load. Then second terminal of an resistive load is connected to first terminal of an inductive load. Then second terminal of an inductive load is connected to V terminal of an wattmeter. Then V terminal of an wattmeter and range terminal of an wattmeter is directly connected to the neutral terminal of an auto transformer. Okay. In this practical, we can measure VR and VL by connecting voltmeter across this two load. Then we can see the calculation and observation part of your practical. In this practical, we have to measure supply voltage, that is V, which is indicated by the voltmeter. Then current, which is indicated by the ammeter. Then voltage across resistors, VR, which is measured with the help of multimeter. Then voltage across choke coil, that is VL, which can be also measured with the help of multimeter. Then power will be shown on wattmeter. Okay. Then we can see the actual procedure of your practical. First, connect the circuit as per circuit diagram. Then switch on the supply. Then third, vary the voltage with the help of auto transformer in step. And then record the values of V, I, VR and VL. This is the actual setup of your practical. This is the single phase 230 volt AC supply is given to this auto transformer. This auto transformer have two terminal. This one is the phase, this one is the neutral. The phase terminal is connected to the common terminal of an voltmeter. Then common terminal of an voltmeter is connected to the common terminal of an ammeter. Then the range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the M terminal of an wattmeter. Then M and C terminal will get short circuited. Then L terminal of this wattmeter is connected to the first terminal of an resistive load. Then second terminal of this resistive load is connected to the first terminal of an inductive load. Then second terminal of an inductive load is connected to the V terminal of an wattmeter. And then V terminal and second terminal of an inductive load is directly connected to the range terminal of an voltmeter, and range terminal of an voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of an auto transformer. Okay. The voltmeter indicate the supply voltage, ammeter indicate the current, then wattmeter indicate the power, This two terminal we can measure VR, that is voltage across resistance. This terminal we can measure VL, that is voltage across inductor. Then we will take the reading. First we can switch on the AC supply. Then with the help of we can vary the voltage. First we will take the reading at 100 volt. Okay. Then this is the current, which is 0.3738 ampere. Then this is the power, which is the 40 watt. Then we can take the reading of VR between these two terminal, which is shown by multimeter, which is 60.6. Then we can take the reading of VL, which is 62.5. Then we will take the second reading, same procedure. Thank you.